Let's have a look at the screenshots. By using Wallys DR40x9 router board plus DR7915 DBDC Wlan module combo. When the DR7915 is inserted into the DR40x9 board, there are 4 radios that can work at the same time, and it can be used as a soft router. As we can see, by using this combo, there will be 4 radios working at the same time, and you can configure each radio into a pure store mode as you wish. DR7915 can work on OpenWrt 21.02 version OS directly. No need to install the driver to support this MPK chipset. We guess it would be a smart option as well to select DR7915 for applications which require multi-radios, soft router, mesh, bonding, etc.